This is worksheet Unit 7 review for Algebra 2 Honors, and we're going to look at 7 and 8, which are asking you to circle all of the expressions that satisfy these conditions. So circle all of the expressions that are equivalent to this expression here. So one thing we can do is just look at this expression and see if we can simplify it. According to our power property of logs, we can move the 3 on both of these to the exponent. So log base 2, and then 4 to the third, minus, and then log base 2 of 2 to the third. These are equal to 4 cubed is 64, 2 cubed is 8. And simplifying that further, log base 2 of 64 minus log base 2 of 8, we can say is log base 2 of 64 divided by 8, which is log base 2 of 8. Log base 2 of 8 is equal to 3. So looking at these choices, let's look at the ones that appear as we were simplifying. Log base 2 of 64 minus log base 2 of 8, that's equal. 3 is equal. We also got log base 2 of 8, which was equal. Now let's look at these other options to see whether these could be also equal to the same value as this expression. Log base 2 of 73, well, we know log base 2 of 8 was equal, so there's no way that log base 2 of some other number could be also equal. In this expression, we have log base 2 of 64 divided by log base 2 of 8. Here, what's tricky is that this looks very similar to this expression over here, but you can't distribute log. Log is not a number that you can distribute to the numerator or the denominator. So this expression is not equivalent to having just log base 2 and then 64 over 8 in parentheses. On number 8, we're circling all of the expressions that are not equivalent to 2. So let's go ahead and evaluate each of these to see which ones do not equal 2. 1/2 times log base 2 of 16. On an expression like this, we can evaluate the log first. Log base 2 of 16 is equal to 4. Then multiplying that by 1/2, we do get 2. So we're looking for the ones that are not equal, so I'm going to cross that out. Here we have log 10 plus 1. Log 10, that's a base of 10, so that is equal to 1. Adding 1 to that, we get 2, so I'm going to cross that out also. Here, if we condense this, we get log base 3. 11 minus 2 is not the correct way to write it. It's 11 divided by 2 because of the quotient property. If this was equal to 2, if we were to check whether that works, 3 squared is not 11 halves, so this is not equal to 2. So I'm going to go ahead and circle that expression. Here we have log base 5. Quotient property allows us to do 50 divided by 2. 50 divided by 2 is 25. And log base 5 of 25 is equal to 2, so I'm going to cross that out. Here we have log base 2 of 20 divided by log base 2 of 5. This is also a little tricky. It's similar to what we saw in number 7. If this had been log base 2 of 20 divided by 5, then yes, it would be equal to log base 2 of 4, which is equal to 2. This expression is not the same as this. This is not equal. So in this specific problem, only, actually we said this was not equal, so we're going to circle that one as well. So this is not equal, and this is not equal.